Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a shortcut for a website on your home screen? Google Chrome lets you create a shortcut for a website so you can open it quickly from your home screen. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a website shortcut on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Open the website that you want to add to your home screen. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap Install and create a shortcut. Here, you can enter a name for the shortcut. Enter the name you want to use, then tap Add. Tap Add. The website shortcut will be added to your home screen. Now you can tap the shortcut to quickly open the website in Google Chrome. And that's how to create a website shortcut on the home screen in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.